Ever wondered why growing an email list can feel like a daunting task? It's a common challenge that many marketers face. You've probably been there, tirelessly trying to expand your list, only to be met with low engagement rates and high unsubscribe numbers. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that a large email list equates to success. But in reality, it's not about the quantity of your list, but the quality. What's the point of having thousands of subscribers if only a small fraction of them are genuinely interested in your brand, right? And then there's the challenge of finding the right audience, weeding out the noise, and getting your message across in the midst of all the digital clutter. It can feel like you're trying to find a needle in a haystack. But worry not, there is a simple and effective solution: using social media. Before we continue, please do me a quick favor and take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. And as always, please like and comment below. Thanks. Social media platforms are a goldmine for email list growth. Imagine, if you will, a bustling marketplace, teeming with potential customers. That's social media for you. Its global reach is unparalleled, connecting you with millions of people from every corner of the world. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about engagement. People are not just passive consumers on social media. They like, comment, share, and interact. They form communities and engage in discussions. They voice their opinions and share their experiences. And then there's the precision. Social media allows you to target your audience with laser-like accuracy. You can hone in on your ideal customers based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics, ensuring your message reaches the right people at the right time. So how can you leverage social media for your email list growth? Let's find out. Step 1 begins with the followers you already have. Now, let's delve into the importance of engaging with your existing followers. You see, these are people who have already shown an interest in your brand or content. They've chosen to follow you, which means they've already taken the first step towards a deeper connection. It's up to you to guide them the rest of the way. So, how can you transform these followers into subscribers for your email list? Well, there are a few strategies you can implement. Firstly, incentives are a powerful tool. Consider offering exclusive access to content, discounts, or even giveaways as a reward for signing up. People love a good deal and are often willing to provide their email address in exchange for something they perceive as valuable. Next, create engaging content. This could be anything from thought-provoking blog posts to entertaining videos or even interactive quizzes. The key is to make content that resonates with your followers, that they find useful or enjoyable. When your followers engage with your content, it builds a connection, a relationship. And when they feel that connection, they're more likely to want to hear more from you, which leads them to sign up for your email list. Lastly, make it easy for them to subscribe. This could mean adding a simple sign-up button on your social media profiles, or incorporating a sign-up form within your posts. The less effort it takes for your followers to subscribe, the more likely they are to do so. Now you might be thinking, this sounds like a lot of work. And yes, it can be. But remember, the effort you put in at this stage can pay off massively in the long run. By converting your social media followers into email subscribers, you're building a more direct and personal connection with your audience. This can lead to increased brand loyalty, more engagement, and ultimately more conversions. So, take a look at your current social media followers. They're not just numbers on a screen, they're potential subscribers, potential customers. Start engaging with them, start incentivizing them, and start making it easy for them to sign up to your email list. Remember, your existing followers are your first and easiest target. Step 2 is all about paid advertising. Now, before you start worrying about your budget, let's clear one thing up. Paid advertising doesn't necessarily mean breaking the bank. It's about strategic spending to maximize visibility and reach a broader audience. Imagine this. You're hosting a party and you've invited all your friends, but you want to make this party the talk of the town, so you hire a DJ. That's what paid advertising does for your email list. It takes your invite, your content, and amplifies it, making it reach the people who didn't even know they wanted to be at your party. Now, how do you make sure your content reaches the right people? That's where targeting comes into play. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn have advanced targeting options. You can define your audience based on their age, location, interests, occupation, and so much more. You can even target users who have interacted with your content before. It's like sending a personal invitation to your party. Here's a tip: don't try to target everyone. The more specific your target audience, the better your chances of reaching people who are genuinely interested in your content. Remember, you're not just looking for any audience, you're looking for the right audience. What about the content of your ads? Well, it's vital to keep in mind that people don't like feeling sold to, so make your ads interesting, engaging, and valuable. Offer something they can't resist, like an exclusive discount or a free ebook. Make them feel special, and they'll be more likely to give you their email address. Lastly, don't forget to track your ads' performance. This will give you insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to tweak your strategy and get better results. Paid advertising, when executed strategically, can give your email list a significant boost. It's about reaching the right people at the right time with the right message. So don't be afraid to invest a little to gain a lot. Paid advertising can give your email list a significant boost if done correctly. Step 3 involves collaborating with influencers. Influencers, they're the power players of the social media world, with armies of followers hanging on to their every post. And guess what? They can be your secret weapon in growing your email list. Imagine this: an influencer who aligns with your brand and resonates with your target audience, shares your newsletter or a special promotion with their followers. The result? A potential influx of new subscribers to your email list. That's the power of influencer collaborations. But how do you make this happen? It begins by identifying the right influencers. Look for those who have a strong connection with their followers. Their content should align with your brand's values and resonate with your target audience. Keep in mind, size isn't everything. An influencer with a smaller, more engaged following can often be more effective than one with a massive but less engaged audience. Once you've found the right influencers, it's time to reach out. Be personal and specific in your approach. Explain why you think a collaboration would be beneficial for both parties. And remember, influencers are often swamped with collaboration requests, so make yours stand out. Highlight the benefits they'll gain from the collaboration, such as exclusive content or special discounts for their followers. Then, it's all about nurturing the relationship. Keep the lines of communication open, provide the influencers with all the resources they need to effectively promote your brand, and always show your appreciation for their efforts. Finally, track the results. Use analytics to measure the success of each collaboration. This data will not only help you understand what's working and what's not, but it will also provide valuable insights for future collaborations. In the world of social media, influencers are more than just popular figures. They are powerful allies who can help you reach a wider audience, boost your brand visibility, and ultimately grow your email list. So don't underestimate the power of influencer collaborations. With the right approach, they can be a game changer for your email list growth strategies. Influencer collaborations can greatly increase your brand visibility and email list growth. Let's recap the steps to grow your email list with social media. We've traversed quite a journey today, haven't we? And it's all been about you, your brand, and the potential to grow your email list using the power of social media. We kicked off with understanding the challenge of growing an email list. It's not a walk in the park, is it? But it's a challenge worth taking on. An email list is a direct line of communication with your audience, a chance to build relationships, trust, and ultimately, customer loyalty. Next, we acknowledge the power of social media. It's not just a space for sharing memes and vacation snaps. It's a bustling, ever-evolving marketplace with a global audience at your fingertips. With the right strategy, it can be the key to unlocking your email list growth. Our first strategy was making use of your existing social media followers. Your followers already appreciate your content, so why not extend the conversation to their inbox? By providing valuable exclusive content in exchange for an email address, you can grow your list authentically and effectively. Then, we explored the power of paid advertising. The beauty of social media ads is their ability to target specific demographics, ensuring your content reaches the right people. And by crafting compelling ad copy and visuals, you can entice these potential subscribers to join your email list. Our final step was collaboration with influencers. Influencers have built trust with their audience, and a recommendation from them can boost your brand's credibility. By partnering with influencers that align with your brand, you can reach a wider audience and encourage them to subscribe to your email list. Remember, growing your email list is not an overnight process. It requires consistent effort and strategic planning. But with these steps, you are well on your way to creating a successful, thriving email list. For more information about making money online, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.